A lot of programs say they are beginner friendly, but when you get inside, it feels confusing. Too much information. Too many steps. Not enough clarity. So the real question is ClickBank Profit Club actually beginner friendly? In this video, we're going to answer that honestly. We'll break down what beginner friendly really means, how this program is structured, where beginners usually struggle, and whether this is the right fit for you. Let's define this properly. Beginner friendly does not mean easy. It means clear steps, logical progression, no unnecessary complexity. That's the real definition. A true beginner friendly system should assume you know nothing. So it needs to guide you through the basics, the setup, the structure, step by step. Even with a good system, beginners still struggle with consistency, overthinking, expecting fast results. Not the system itself. Programs like this aim to simplify the process. Instead of 10 strategies, focus on one path. This reduces confusion. The experience usually includes step-by-step videos, clear progression, structured guidance. Designed for beginners, but still requires action. What actually helps beginners is not complexity, but clear direction, defined steps, consistent action. So, is it beginner friendly? Yes, in structure. But it still requires effort. There's no way around that. If you're a complete beginner, and you prefer a clear path instead of guessing, this type of system can make things easier. If you want to see exactly how it's structured, you can check the official page below and decide if it fits you.